Today is Tuesday. Another job. Get the droney up. Have a look. Okay, here we go. Here we go. See what we got. Okay. Gives us an idea what we're up against. Right, let's go to war. Get a bit more control when I'm a bit closer to it. Okay. Shall we? See how good or bad it is, see what I've missed, see what I need to go and redo again. Seems to be pretty okay. Is that a few bits there needs sorting out? Maybe. I think so. Okay. Okay, I think I've got it, I think. Yeah, all good. Right, that's the front of the house done, the tall one anyway. I just got to do the little one around the front here as well. And to do that, I need more extendables. Have a little look, shall we? Yeah, not great, is it? Okay. Oh, it's not too bad, to be fair. It's just that little bit there needs to be taken out pretty much. The rest of it's okay, but I will run my Hoover, my vacuum, over it to get it all out, everything out. Take that out as well, give it a clean, make sure the downpipe's clear. It should be, because it's got this thing in it. Okay, right, how's that downpipe looking? Let's have a look, shall we? Okay, there's some rubbish in there. Needs to come out probably. That's tight. Okay, if I can just get my Hoover down there, that'll be okay. Okay. the part I use for this bit here. So I basically take this part off, and then I put this bit on, but I put it like that, and I can put that down the downpipe. Job done. Yep, nice and clear in there now, and then put that back in. That's good. My ladder up a bit, I think. Yeah.
They wheeled me in.
Right.
Ropes and everything. They lost about, and it took them an hour and a half or something to arrive here.
So how long after the jab did you have it? Do you reckon then? And how many did you take? Did you take 3? Did you?
I had 3 COVID jabs. The last one I think was the October of 21, and then in February of 22 I had the heart attack, and they said it was a piece of plaque had flipped round in one of the
Blocked one of the arteries.
That particular artery, which damaged the left ventricle.
Okay.
And they couldn't repair it because they put a stent in, but it instantly collapsed anyway. So
really?
the stent
Oh gosh! Wow.
But he said if you keep walking, you'll be fine.
Yeah, that's the question. Like, you got to do exercise. Got to keep the body working.
Yeah.
Got to keep the body working, Derek. Yeah. Bloody hell. I won't have any more. I'm done with it now.
Yes.
No. Sod it. Right, here we go. Right. Let's get back to it then, guys. Let's get back to it. I've had my cup of coffee. We're all ready, raring and ready to go. Yeah. It's quite full, I think. Yeah, wow. Another full one. Nice, there's a lovely compost bin, isn't it?
Believe it or not, those were bricks I found under the garden when I started digging it over.
Right, so you made it out of bricks?
Yeah. So
Wow.
I thought, there's too many bricks here to get rid of. Use the bloody
So you made a compost heap out of it?
I thought, well, it's the ideal place for it, it's out of the way.
You build another house amount you got there. You got a nice little bit going on here, haven't you?
Yeah, that's my
You got strawberries going in there, have you?
strawberries,
Yeah.
raspberries.
What's that? That ain't broccoli, is it?
No, it's curly kale,
Curly kale.
which the pigeons have been wrecking.
Oh, bloody hell, they love it, don't they?
Look at it. Yeah.
Oh, they're like locusts. They just decimate the whole bloody garden.
Caterpillars on it as well. What the hell caterpillars are doing out
This time of year, well, it's all messed up, isn't it? It's all this global warming, you know.
Yeah, no, it's terrible.
Should be under 6 foot of snow by now.
Yeah.
Anyhow. Yep, I'll crack on then, Derek. Okay, let's go. A little fly up there and see what the situation's like. Okay, right, how good or bad is it? Where does it need to be? There's a bit down there. Needs to come out, doesn't it? think we're done. I need to go and check with the customer, get the drone up and he can have a look himself and point out any issues, any problems, but I'm sure we're going to be fine. I'm just taking my stuff back to the car now and then I'm done. Blowy up there.
It's windy up there, yeah.
It really is windy, yeah.
Yeah, I know.
If there's anything you see up there, just let me know. I'll just take it from the start. There might be a few little bits of black. That's probably just some things I just can't quite get out, or have another go at it though.
Yeah. Oh, it looks quite clean to me, this end, yeah.
Yeah, there's a few bits in there. I'll try and get them out, but it's fairly difficult.
They'll be back.
It just takes another storm and it all comes down again, doesn't it?
No, it's terrible.
That's the problem. Oh, it's a bit blowy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Ooh. Yeah, this isn't as good as the other drone I've got, but had a bit of an accident with that, unfortunately. Try and steady it up a little bit. They've pretty much demossed it. There's just a few bits of, you know, gravel in there or just bits of mud or something. Downpipe seems to be pretty clear.
Didn't I have a what's it in that one?
No, I couldn't see one in there.
I think the bloody birds knocked it out. It wouldn't sit in there properly.
And they flew off with it, did they?
No, I found it down on the ground.
Ah, right. Is it? Have you got it? Do you want me to put it up there again?
No, I think I used it over there on the green.
Oh, okay.
I thought, oh, bugger it, if it's not going to stay in there. They were funny things. Those big black plasticky things.
Yeah, I did remove one. I cleaned it out and then I replaced it again.
Yeah,
that was on the front.
They seem to work quite well, but
yeah. There you go, that's your fronts. Strong wind warning we're getting.
Yeah.
Yeah, I replaced that. I've gone and got that bit of moss off there.
Yeah.
You can see the moss is gone.
Yeah. Yeah, looks fine to me, Andy.
Yeah.
It's better than I would have done with my bit of broom and.
Oh gosh, yeah, you've got to be careful.
Along. Yeah.
And the other one at the front, be a bit careful here. Especially in the windy. Cleaned it out well, so almost eat your dinner off of that. Wouldn't advise you to, mind, but.
What about the one at the top? That's the bottom one. I don't think.
Got to get in there yet. I've got to get in there yet. I've got to do that one yet. I'll do that one in a minute.
Oh, there's a bit there.
Yeah, there's a bit there. I can do that one.
It's on the outside.
And there's a bit there as well. Yeah. Yep, I'll do that one.
Yeah.
Good job you reminded me. I bloody forgot.
Yeah, it's.
That's good. Yeah.
It's not a major issue, that one, because it just drips onto the storm porch.
Yeah, that's fine.
You look at it and think, oh Christ, I've got to clean that out.
Yeah, that's fine.
But I won't worry too much about that one.
No, we're okay with it. But land it on your head, Derek.
You'll be back here in another 6 months.
Yeah, probably, possibly. There you go. Well done.
Well, it's always been a twice a year job for me.
Yeah.
It's one of those things you think. The big guttering didn't solve all the problems. The half guttering they always put up with the garage does, but
yeah,
it's been better. But
yes, going to have a look at that downpipe up there. Being attacked by a plant. Okay, and make sure that it's okay. That looks good. It's okay. It's okay. We're all fine. Yep, that's good. Yep. Oh, bloody plant again. Yeah, that's as clean as a whistle up there, Derek. That's really good. Yeah, you got a rose up there as well. Say again?
It's a shame it won't stay.
Well, I know, but there we go.
Then you wouldn't be in business if it did.
There you go. Well, I'm hoping I'm doing a good job. You can call me back again.
I will.
Okay. Well, here we go then, Eric. Let's have a little look, shall we? See what we got down here then. It's a bit cleaner. That downpipe's fine.
Yeah.
I took it apart and it's all okay. There's one or two little specks there which maybe could just be brought out, I think. Just one or two. You see them down there, look?
Yeah. Right,
Okay.
nothing major.
No, I'll get that though. That'll keep me awake at night if I don't get that out.
Yeah.
I'll crack on with that now, Derek. All right. I think it's okay. Good stuff. There you go. Job done, I reckon. Job done. And damn thing won't stop filming. Stop filming. There we go. Right, good. That's good. Pleased with that. So is a customer, which is important. Okay, that's good stuff. Okay. There we go, guys. What was that? I got there at 9:30, 10:30, 11:30. Just about 11:30 I finished. Stopped out a chat for 20 minutes. 60 quid, £30 an hour. Should have charged a bit more, to be honest. I should have charged at least 80 on that one, but I mean, I live literally just round the corner, so hasn't cost me literally nothing in fuel, and it's been okay. I've had good exercise, I've got some fresh air, and I've earned myself a bit of money. Can't go wrong with that.